Our smart toilets uses radar microwave induction technology. When you get close to the toilet, the lid would open automatically. Professional ultraviolet sterilization ensures the best sterilization of the nozzle, which would self-sterilize before each use to avoid bacterial and disease. According to various cleanliness optional modes of posterior cleanings, feminine cleaning, and trial cleaning with different water pleasures are available. You can even have a water massage with the nozzle moving forward and backward into the toilet. Then select the full function. Which number of small bubbles get together on the surface of the water in a bowl to become a stable bubble shield, which is anti-splash and helps preventing the odor, dirt, bacteria from coming out to the air.